A girl will find you irresistibly attractive if you flirt with her in your mind first. You have to understand that if you create an imaginal act, a mental picture in your mind where you are flirting with a girl and it is going amazingly well, then that mental picture will actually get outpictured into your three-dimensional world. This starts by you understanding a very profound spiritual truth, and that is your universe is completely mental. You think that your physical universe is so solid, is so real because you can perceive everything through your five senses. But these is the illusion of your senses. Yogis have always been calling our physical universe as Maya. Maya means illusion. Your universe is completely mental. When you change the programs, when you change the imagination, when you change the inner monologue that is present in your mind, then your physical universe, then your personal world will start to magically change. This is the reason why there is no one to change in your world except for yourself. I realized this spiritual truth during COVID lockdown, where I could not game anyone. I had to stay with myself. I started to develop anxiety and panic attacks. And to heal these mental health issues, I decided to turn inwards. Decided to meditate. I decided to study spirituality. And that was when I discovered Neville Goddard, who said, imagination creates reality. But right now, your imagination is weak. But if you make your imagination strong through Yoga Nidra, through mental rehearsal, through a very wise use of your attention, through embodying the elevated emotions of your imagination, then whatever you have imagined will get externalized into your three-dimensional world of experience. So let's go to the practical step where you will actually create a mental image where you're flirting with a girl and it is going amazingly well. She is touching you, she is complimenting you, she has her pupils dilated because she is so attracted towards you. You guys are sleeping together. All of these things will actually get outpictured into your three-dimensional world if you simply make your imagination very powerful. So it's pointless to actually even care about outer game tactics. Do not ever learn pickup tricks. Do not ever focus on openers or nakes or DHV stories. Do not ever study these pickup gurus and psychology experts and dating coaches. These are all bullshitters. They do not know what they are talking about. They do not know this very fundamental spiritual principle that your personal world is an extension of your own mind. So what you're going to do is you first get into a very receptive attitude of mind through non-sleep deep rest protocol or Yoga Nidra. What that means is you just guide your awareness or your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. This is when your brain waves start to slow down very well. This is also when your breathing rate starts to slow down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brain waves slow down as well. Your brain waves start to become alpha brain waves and theta brain waves. Then you can think in pictures, and all of those pictures are going to get right into your subconscious mind. So what you're going to do after you imagine, after you actually do Yoga Nidra is you start to create an imaginal act where you're super powerful, where you're super attractive. You notice yourself in the mirror and you see the most attractive version of yourself and you walk up to a girl, or you imagine that a girl is walking up to you and you're flirting with her and she's just smiling from ear to ear. She has her pupils dilated simply by being in your presence. She's complimenting you by saying things like, oh my God, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky to be with you. If you feel the reality of this imaginal scene by providing all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act, you will start to derive feelings of joy or gratitude or empowerment. But this requires disciplining your attention because a normal human being's attention span is cooked. But if you properly train your attention and do not let your attention to go to a past traumatic event or a future worst case scenario of your life, simply keep it on this desired imaginal act and mentally rehearse it over and over again, you are going to feel the elevated emotions from it. Now what you've done is you have created an imaginal act and combined this elevated imaginal act with positive feelings. This is a program that is going to get right into the subconscious mind. The imaginal act coupled with elevated emotions. Now, this program, when it is getting impressed into your subconscious mind, the subconscious mind knows what you want. That means it knows now that you want to become a very attractive person and you want girls to just fall in love with you, and it is compelled to change your physical universe so that that visualization actually materializes into your world. Now you lose all free will. The girls in your world lose all free will because your subconscious mind is so infinitely intelligent that it can change everything in your physical universe. So I want you to do this exercise for 30 days every night before you fall asleep, because you have to train your imaginal faculty first. You have to train your attention faculty first. You have to be able to hold these elevated emotions for a long period of time in your body first. Only then this message, this program is going to get impressed into your subconscious mind. And then everything is done by your subconscious mind. You do not have to stress about anything. You do not have to stress about outer game, because it's like stressing about when a flower is going to pop off from a plant. If you have properly nourished the plant, flower is a natural happening. Similarly, if you have nourished your your mind with proper visualization, proper feelings, then outer game, then the right words, then right behaviors, then right body language is a natural manifestation. It's that simple. Do not ever care about outer game. It is not real. Inner game is the real game. And I've just given you the tool to change your inner game from the deepest core of your mind. So if you're interested in one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will hold your hand to success and help you build a solid inner game, then message me on my Gmail or my Viber, which are present in the description box down below. Also WhatsApp, which are pinned in the comment section down below, and subscribe if you want more of these videos.